Hi there, folks. I hope you're all well. We've had a couple of questions and a request to get some help around how to set up your web link from your back office to make sure that you've got a hyperlink that you can send out to friends and or possible prospects so that they can click and log on and register themselves as wellness advocates. So here we go. I've done a couple of screen clippings and put this up as a video for you to have a look at. First thing you need to do is head off to www.mydoterra.com and you would have your doTERRA ID number and password, which you would have got when you joined up on the fund within doTERRA. So please sign in under the doTERRA ID and password and hit submit. Then you'll come up with your My doTERRA back office page, and on that page you may well get this pop-up window that says, do you want to set up an LRP or place a standard order? You can just close that down for now and then head to the top right hand corner, which is the little purple tab that says My Website. So up at the top of the screen you'll see that you should be logged in as yourself, and you've now clicked on your My Website tab. When you do that, you'll come up with this page where it's got My Site Address, and there's a little blue block in the center of that page, and the first time you go in it's probably just got your name in there, but you can actually choose for yourself any particular name for your website. Remember, there are obviously thousands of other doTERRA wellness advocates out there, so the system will actually check to see whether the name you've chosen is registered before, but you may want to call it your business name or your first name or surname. So what you can actually do is in that blue block in the center, you can delete what might be there, or if it's blank, type in the name that you want for your web address. Remember, always the web address is going to be mydoterra.com / and then the name that you've chosen. So pop in the name that you would like it to be and hit Save Settings, and you'll see if you've chosen one like I've done in the example. I've chosen Tessa's existing name. It comes up with an error message and says the website name that you have entered is already taken. Please choose another. So if you get that error message, then just head back to delete that in the blue block again and choose another name for yourself and hit submit. Once you find a name, or if your name is correct, it will then save and come up and show the screen My Settings, and will say thank you, your page has now been changed, and below that it will have your business web address is, and it will give you the hyperlink to your address. So go ahead and click on that, and when you click on it you'll see that it actually then opens up your doTERRA Wellness Advocate page, and on the right hand side it should have your name. It'll have a little lavender picture first, but that will be the page that your clients or friends will get if you give them your hyperlink. So how do you change the little lavender bottle, or can you add any extra wording? Yes, absolutely. So if you go back to your My Website in your My doTERRA office, you'll see down the left hand side there's the 4 different areas. There's My Site Address, then there's My Photo, and My Short Intro. What we'll do then now is you can change the photograph. So if you want to put a smart photo of yourself like Tess has got on her page, make sure you've got a photo on your computer somewhere that you want to use, or you can use another oil if you want a different one. And in the center towards the bottom of the page you'll see there's an option, Choose File. Click on the Choose File button and it will then open a little Explorer window. Go and find the photo that you want and select it, click Open, and then it will upload that photograph. Remember, make sure that the picture is either in the format of JPEG, JPG, or a GIF, GIF. It won't use TIFF or any of the other types of images. Make sure you've selected the right image, upload it, and then you can actually test that again by clicking on your hyperlink and make sure that it's actually got the photograph there. The next area that is really valuable is what is the story that you would like to show up underneath your picture. So again, under the My Website tab, if you head down the left-hand side and click on My Short Intro, there's a big white open block in the middle, and within that block you will be able to type in either what you think about essential oils or what you would like people to see when they come to your website. I've got an example over here where you can actually put in step by step how they can click to purchase or click to register or click to buy the different starter kits. But up to you. You can edit and play around with that. You can put in little faces and icons and anything else that you might want. So be creative, because this is the first thing that people will see. Once you've put that all in, save that, and then again click and select and have a look at how that's all updated on your My DōTERRA page. So folks, hope that all helps. If you do have any questions, please post in comments below. But get out there. Congratulations, you've now got your own website. Make sure that that hyperlink is shared all over your Facebook and any other social media that you've got. And if anyone goes to that hyperlink and selects to buy or join from that hyperlink, it will automatically include your wellness advocate number, so they don't need to actually physically type that number in. It will happen automatically, and if they register and join, they will automatically come up underneath your business, and you will get an email straight away on the same email address that you've got set up in the system, which will show that you now have a new member or a new retail purchase. So all the best, hope that helps, and let us know if you have any comments. Thanks.